Engineering, the pride of Indian middle class dream. More than 50 lakh students graduate with a BTech degree every year in India. Here is the shocking part. Nearly 80% of them are unemployed. That is right. We are producing degree, not an engineer. So today we are diving deep into the harsh reality of BTech degree in India, the myth, the broken system, and the sad ending that no one wants to talk about. This is not just a video, it's a reality check. Every student, educator, and parents need to see this video. It all starts with a dream, a middle class family, a child good at math, always dream to become an engineer. From class 9 itself, kids are pushed into the rat race. IIT, NIT, स्टेट कॉलेज, प्राइवेट कॉलेज, कुछ भी चलेगा, बस बीटेक चाहिए. Lakhs of rupees are spent on coachings. Mental health takes back seat, and students are promised that बेटा एक बार बीटेक कर ले, जिंदगी सेट है. But what they are not told that system is broken. India has over 4,000 engineering colleges. That is more the number of McDonald's outlet in the world. Most of these colleges are not the center of excellence. They are only degree factories. No innovation, no infrastructure, and no skilled teacher. A 2021 report shows that only 10% of engineering graduates are actually employed in the core jobs. Lectures are outdated, labs are non-functional, internships are fake. Final year projects are copied from the internet. It's like ordering an iPhone and getting a brick. Let's talk about what really matters. A skill. Ask any average BTech graduate to write a piece of simple code or design a circuit or explain a basic mechanical principle. Chances are they are fail. Why? Because the syllabus are stuck in the 90s. No real world skill. No focus on communication. In the world where AI, data science, robotics and blockchains are booming, our BTech students are learning how to calculate resistance in a copper wire from a older textbook. Now comes to the biggest heartbreak. Jobs. Out of every 100 BTech graduates, only 20 to 25 students get decent jobs. And by decent, we mean 3 to 5 LPA package. And the rest is they are either unemployed or working in a non-technical field. Imagine studying for 4 years, burning a lakhs of rupees in BTech degree. What's the end? The end's in the call center or sitting at the home and applying for a government exam or a government jobs that never appears in this time, or we can say that in the today era, the rate on investment of a BTech degree is negative. Parents expect engineers. College give them degree. Company want a skill. And the students are left confused. Everyone is blaming someone else, but no one is fixing the core issue. We are only teaching the student pass the exam, not to solve any problem. There is a huge gap between academic learning and what the industry needs. College say we train them, but the company says we still have to train them from the scratch. It's like buying a new car and realizing that it has no engine. What happens when the BTech graduate student don't get any decent jobs? They fall into the another trap, that is higher education, MTech, MBA or a foreign masters. Maybe that it will save me, but this just add to the debt, more time, more stress, and the same problem, still no any practical skill. It become a cycle, that degree after degree, a loop of hope and a heartbreak. Let's talk to the something even more serious, the mental health crisis. The pressure to succeed, fear to failure, the constant comparison, it crushes the students. Suicide rate among the students have gone up. Depression, anxiety and self-doubt are eating themselves from the inner side. Why this? Because they are promised that the degree would bring them success, but that promise was a lie. So who is responsible for this all? The system, the college, the government, the parents. The truth is all of them are. I think that India focus on quantity, not on quality. More colleges, more seats, more graduates, but no focus on outcome, curriculum, or a practical skill knowledge. Other country invest in the skill-based knowledge, real-world training, or we just hand out a degree like a discount coupon. Yes, but it's not a easy and it's not a fast. Changes needs to come at all levels. College needs to modernize their curriculum or a textbook. Teacher needs to training like a modern classes. Internship should be real, not a fake. Students must focus on coding, a skill-based knowledge, or a problem solving. And the parent needs to understand that in the today world, a degree is nothing. I think that in this time there is a many online course available. So a student should not waste the time. Go and learn them quickly. So don't wait for the system to save you. Save yourself. Let's tell me a true story. A student who completed a BTech degree from a third tier college. No placement and dream in his eyes. No jobs and no money. His parents took a loan to study engineering. He applied over 100 jobs but no responses from that side. At the last, he is driving a cab in the higher cities and he said that in the today I am earning something. This is not just a that student story, but this is the story of lakhs of Indian engineers. We can't afford to stay blind. The system is failing and it's time we need to speak up. If you are a student, focus on a skill, not on the examination marks. If you are a parent, then support your child and child passion and not pressure them. If you are an educator, teach to create thinker, not just a rank holder. Share this video with every engineering students. And remember, a degree might open the door, but only a skill will walk you through it.